Okay, today let me solve some of the problems on how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. And after going through the literature, probably you might have understood the equation how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, and the calculation is new share equals to old share minus share sacrificed. This is how we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the partners. And today let me solve one problem on the situation how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. The problem is forwarded to you. Please go through the problem. And the problem starts like this. Ashu and Neetu are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Jyoti as a new partner for 3/10 share, which she has acquired 2/10 from Ashu and 1/10 from Neetu. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Ashu, Neetu and Jyoti. So as per our equation, we need old share and the share sacrificed. And if you go through the problem, old share is 3:2. 3:2 in the sense 3 plus 2 will be 5. Total share will be 5 and the share of Ashu will be 3/5 and Neetu will be 2/5. And we got the information relating to the old share. And as far as share sacrifice is concerned, what they have stated here is they admitted Jyoti as a new partner for 3/10 share. 3/10 share means the new share of the new partner will be 3/10, and which she acquired 2/10 from Ashu and 1/10 from Neetu. It literally means that she has acquired in the sense that much share has been sacrificed by Ashu and Neetu respectively. That is why first we need to write the basic data so as to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. First I want to write the equation for your understanding. Equation is calculation of new profit sharing ratio new share equals to old share minus share sacrificed. Old share minus share sacrificed. Ashu and Neetu are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Therefore, the old share of Ashu is 3 plus 2 will be 5. Total share is 5 and the share of Ashu will be 3/5. Likely, the old share of Neetu is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So this is the information relating to the old share. And if you go through the problem, they admitted Jyoti as a new partner for 3/10 share, which she acquired 2/10 from Ashu and 1/10 from Neetu. It literally means is that share sacrificed by Ashu. Share sacrificed by Ashu is 2/10, and likely share sacrificed by Neetu is 1/10. So as per our equation, we got the basic data so as to calculate the new share. We got the old share as well as the share sacrificed, and if you deduct share sacrificed from the old share, you will get the new share. Okay, the new share of Ashu's new share, Ashu's new share equals to old share is old share minus share sacrificed. Old share minus share sacrificed. New share equals to Ashu's new share equals to old share is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 10. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 10. It gives you, the denominator will be 10 only. That is why if I rewrite 3 by 5 minus 2 by 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 divided by 10 equals to 4 by 10. This is the new share of Ashu. New share of Ashu, and likely we are going to calculate the new share of Neetu. Neetu's new share equals to, so this one is the old share of Neetu, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10. And if I more simplified, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 10, 5 2s are 10 1s are 4 minus 1 divided by 10. It will be 3 by 10. 3 by 10. And Jyoti as a new partner for 3/10 share, they have given the new share of Jyoti that has been given in the problem. The new share of new partner Jyoti is 3/10. 3 by 10. So therefore, new profit sharing ratio is 4 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 3 by 10. That to say 4 is to 3 is to 3. This is how we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. This is the first problem, how to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Please go through the problem. Thank you.